ich heiße Abhishek. Now we are doing two important verbs that is directly related to our health. The first one is essen, to eat, and the second one is trinken, to drink. So the first verb is essen, and these are the conjugation of essen. So and this is, do, er, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, sie is our personal pronoun. So is I, esse. Ich esse, I eat, du isst, you eat, er, sie, es. He, she, it, wir essen, we all eat, ihr esst, you all eat, sie, they eat, or you formal with respect it. Same is, trinke, I drink, du drinks, you drink, er, sie, es trinkt, he, she, it drink. Wir trinken, we all drink, ihr trinkt, you all drink, sie trinken, they drink, or you drink, formal. So the first verb is our essen, to eat. And the Frank and Clara. Frank or Clara is den Affair or eine Affair. So Frank and Clara is our subject. That is subject. And Frank is er and Clara is sie. He or she. So er and sie. The conjugation of essen with er, sie, es is ist. That's why Frank isst den Apfel, Frank eat the apple, or Frank isst den einen Apfel, Frank eat an apple. Same, Frank isst the pizza, Frank eat the pizza, or Frank isst das Eis, Frank eat the egg, or Frank isst ein Ei, a egg. Same with Clara. Clara isst den Apfel, Clara isst einen Apfel. Clara eat the apple, or Clara eat an apple. And the second verb is our trinken. Trinken is to drink, So Frank and Clara, Frank is er and Clara is sie. So the conjugation of trinken with er, sie, es is trinkt. So trink. That's why Frank trinkt den Orangensaft, Frank drink the orange juice, or Frank drink einen Orangensaft, Frank drink a orange juice. Same, Frank drink the milk, Frank drink eine Milch, Frank drink the milk or a milk, Frank drink the mineral water, or Frank drink ein mineral water, Frank drink the mineral water, or a mineral water. Same with Clara. Clara drink den Orangensaft oder einen Orangensaft, die Milch, eine Milch, das Mineralwasser oder ein Mineralwasser. Vielen Dank.